we got home yesterday from Valdez, and after 8-hour drive, I needed to set up this trailer, wrap everything up, and put everything together, because although just the day before we were fishing and we were hauling that thing in coolers full of fish, well, guess what? Today we're heading the mountains. Now I'm a little on the blindish side, mainly because somebody is working on her cool looks and keeps stealing not only my clothes, but also now apparently my glasses. So
don't judge me.
Don't judge. So Mr. Lance is in the back, ready to go. His backpack, my backpack. He actually got my pack today because I was like, my pack, and he got it. Wink to the YouTube world, son. Wink it. Oh, he's winking twice now. That's how tired he is. So we're telling everybody that we got from Valdez yesterday after 8 hours, and now we are heading up into the mountains.
Far, far away. No, was it far, far and beyond? I don't know.
I don't know.
Needless to say, we're exhausted.
We are exhausted, but
here, you can have your glasses.
Thank you. Oh, I can see now.
You can rock the look better than I can.
It takes a lot of style.
And beard.
And beard. And you only have a few whiskers.
I do, you know. Perimenopause and all.
Anyway, guys. Yep, we're gonna put a gas and we'll see you back once we get to the White Mountain. Gonna be longer, madam.
Me too.
But
Kind of bummed.
it's something that we wanted to do for a long time, and I don't know about y'all, but to me and probably to her, this is the prettiest view ever.
Oh my goodness, this was worth it.
That's yeah, that is my prettiest view. That right there. Look at that. Look at that handsomeness.
Stand there with your dad so I can take a picture of you
He's
guys.
walking with style.
Get style, mi style. Hey, Billy. Yes, I said Billy because you knocked me over. Stop.
So we found a nice patch of blueberries. So
Yes.
what we're gonna do
Success.
is we're gonna take advantage of it, and that's why you always bring Ziploc bags.
I don't know that. I mean, they're a little tart, but they taste good. Look, there's some over here too.
Apparently, we're gonna be picking blueberries last.
You guys, wild blueberries.
A little bit of lunch. Mr. Lass looks really cool with his glasses, his look at him. He saw the movie yesterday, Mortal Kombat. Do it, Lass. There you go. Last K. Close enough. Alright, so we're gonna have some gas station lunch. Gas station lunch, Mom?
Gas station lunch. What we got?
Gas station lunch is what we got. It is on. It's just.
There you go.
Oh.
You know what?
See the mountain over there with all the spikes?
Mm-hmm.
Spike mountain.
Yeah.
It's chilly. Not really.
Mm-hmm.
You gonna keep putting it on the phone?
Hmm?
You gonna keep
I like to take pictures.
damn kids. Won't put down the damn phone.
Do you hear this boy telling me to put down the damn phone?
Youngsters these days.
It's on.
It is on.
Berries.
Well,
Or blueberries.
we found another patch of blueberries. For those of you who don't know, here in Alaska, we have blueberries pretty much everywhere.
Not everywhere.
Everywhere.
Not everywhere.
Everywhere we go. we just never get them because I was promised blueberry muffins once, and I never received them. So ever since then, I have refused to pick blueberries. So Mrs. D is here with us today, and apparently she wants to pick blueberries. So every time that I know where they are, I'm showing her, and she's like, "Oh, blueberries! Oh, blueberries!"
Why am I being judged for liking wild blueberries?
Its hunting trip has been cut short due to blueberries. So Miss D is over there getting blueberries. I am here, and Laz is here to get rabbits.
I didn't plan to get blueberries. We found blueberries.
And you're obsessed.
God said, "Here are some blueberries for you, Miss D." I'm losing the blueberries. Holy crap balls. Okay, I got it. See? Blueberries.
Goodness gracious.
They're not ready yet, y'all.
They're gonna be ready for some muffins.
Yeah, by the middle of August, that's when they're truly ripe.
Where's my blueberry bag?
Right here. But we are getting some, you know, to munch on our way home. Here. Those are not gonna make it home, I'll tell you that right now.
So good.
Alright. Let's head out. Let's have this attitudinally post lately.
One fell in my kangaroo pouch here.
We have about 13 sites. Our preferred one is number 3, mainly because it's the largest one. That way we can come in here and not just put the trailer and whatnot. They do have bathrooms. Unfortunately, the wells are not working right now, but we have a creek literally right there, so I don't have an issue with that. So other than that, I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory. In fact, now they have, because this was changed, this is new.
Yeah, that's new.
Now you have this thing here that you can do it.
You can do it online, or you can do it via cash or check. Oh, that is new.
So I mean, these are old signs. You can tell the difference. But so register $12. We usually come over the weekend. We stay here, not a problem. Then we hit the trails, Fishing here is catch and release. You could do gold panning, paddling, hiking, definitely. The trail is a 60-mile trail. It is beautiful. It is by far one of my favorite ones in here. So yeah, definitely we most likely will be coming, not next week, maybe the following one, or maybe the following one, because we have
At some point in August.
oh yeah, if not in September. September is really nice in here when the leaves start to change and whatnot. It's really nice.
Well, at least with the rain, the mosquitoes went away. Thank God for
Yeah,
that.
so we're gonna wrap it up for the day. We have been riding for a while, about 3 hours or so. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you a little bit more, and I have a net or something in the back of my ear. Show you a little bit more, but other than that, hope you all like it. Maybe a little boring of a video, but this is what we do. We go out, we enjoy, we try. And the funny thing is, just 24 hours ago, we were 300 some miles away. We were
still there
in the coast of Prince William's, snagging salmon, and now we are in the White Mountains in the interior of Alaska, blueberry picking and looking for rabbits and whatnot. Well, due to circumstances and bad weather, we needed to stop in this gazebo thing. This is near the area that we're not near, but close enough. My people needed to start getting gloves that I brought extra. My shamook or scarf, you know, the one that I told you all to have. Look who's having it. Wow. My shelf. I think you have your own in your pack.
He probably does.
Yeah. And last, can you show your ear things? Turn around so people can see it. Yeah, you see? Yeah. Tell you guys something.
Hey, nippy boy.
It gets cold here in the mountains.
Well, for me, this was mostly just so I can go like fast without being cold fast.
Right.
It says it's 68, but that's a lie.
No, well, no, you don't have right now signal, do you? It's chilly in here. Plus, let me show you guys. The weather.
Yeah, I do have signal.
The weather turn. Well, yeah, because we are high enough right now.
But it says 68 in Fox, not 68. I was like, that's not right.
Yeah, that's not here. But yeah, I mean, we have our packs. This is Mr. Lash. He has his in the front.
And this is my storage car.
And that one is back there is mine, mainly because I'm carrying other cargo. Other cargo is not paying attention to me.
And we'll put the phone
I have
down.
the blueberry behind me.
Hey!
just won't put the phone down, like.
You asked me to check the temperature. I'm checking the temperature.
No, you're checking email stuff.
It's not that important. And Lash has been giving her a hard time. But yeah, no, it's just you guys probably can see what this is. It got nippy. So we're stopping here under a roof. Let me walk around so you guys can see. People come here and camping here all the time. There's a fire pit and everything. You see? And people camping here. But we should stop.
We have a little bit of tree cover.
Yes, we do. But we're just stopping here to warm up and take a break. Oh man, because we're not any younger. But this is beautiful, y'all. Regardless of the reason why we stop, yeah, we may actually just for giggles come one day and just pop the tent and that's it. It is 3:52 on a Thursday, July.
No,
30th.
Not Thursday.
Not Thursday?
Yes,
It is
Thursday.
Thursday.
It is
Oh.
Thursday. Thursday, July 30th.
Okay.
No, it's not a Thursday. It's
On a Thursday. Why you messing with me?
Tomorrow is August 1st? No,
No.
Saturday.
Tomorrow's
No, Saturday's August 1st.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Tomorrow's
Yeah.
Friday.
On Saturday, Daddy's going hunting all by himself.
What the hell?
Are you coming with me?
No, I can't.
Oh, you can't or you don't want to?
Well, you can come,
I
lad, because you
can't.
have
You have
friends
a friend
over.
coming over.
So your father, will take the burden.
Oh, the
of
burden? No, you want to do it.
Going by myself.
The burden, you want to do it by yourself. No.
No.
This is what happens when you raise somebody who likes hunting as much as you do and likes riding as much as you do.
And fishing too.
And fishing. Oh, guys, fishing. All right, let's wrap up. I think we warm up enough, and I don't see rain. Well, we do hope that you guys enjoy the trip. Like I said in the video, we came from Valdez yesterday. We immediately hooked up the new trailer and we head out to the White Mountains. We are extremely tired, but I would say that it is worth it. When the weather is good, just go out and enjoy as much as possible. For us here in Alaska, I would say this: we have to take advantage of the good weather, because soon enough we're gonna have snow on the ground. With that being said, I truly do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed, and up above all, God bless you all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.